Welcome to Hello English Teacher. Today we are going to look at some of the portions that are deleted from classes 9, 10, 11 and 12 English due to this unusual situation caused by the COVID pandemic. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. You can listen to the explanations of classes 10, 11 and 12 English. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Let's move on to the video now. So first let's look at class 9 portions. In grammar, you will not have questions based on passive voice, clauses that is noun clause, adverb clause, clauses of condition and time, relative clause etc. And you will also not have questions based on propositions. So you may have grammar based questions like editing passages, omission, gap filling, close passages etc. based on determiners, tenses, articles etc. And in the writing section, you don't have to write letter on a situation and descriptive paragraphs, but you will still continue to have the story writing. So now let's look at the lessons that are deleted from the textbooks. So we have Beehive. In Beehive, the following poems have been removed. The Lake Isle of Innisfree, The Duck and the Kangaroo, A Slumber Did My Spirit Steal. And in lessons, two lessons, The Snake and the Mirror and Kathmandu have been deleted. And in the supplementary text moments, two lessons, that is Ishwaran the storyteller and the accidental tourist, have been deleted. So now let's move on to class 10. In grammar, use of passive voice, clauses, all these clauses and prepositions are removed. You will still have grammar exercises based on determiners and tenses. So now let's look at the lessons from the textbooks. From first flight, the following lessons have been removed. How to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter for Annie Gregory. So how to tell wild animals, trees, fog and for Annie Gregory are poems. Mitchell the otter is a lesson. And in your supplementary text, Footprints Without Feet, 3 chapters are omitted. A Question of Trust, The Midnight Visitor, and The Book That Saved the Earth. Now let's move on to class 11. In the writing section, you don't have to read classified advertisements, letter to the editor, application for a job, that is job application letter, and you also don't have to read article writing, report writing, and a narrative. So these are omitted. Everything else remains the same. So in grammar section, you will not have exercises based on modals, clauses, change of voice, error correction, editing task and close passages. So now let's look at the literature part. In your hornbill text, two lessons are removed. Father to Son, which is a poem, and The Adventure, one lesson. In snapshots, The Guard of the Only World and Tale of Melon City are removed. So let's move on to class 12. So in class 12, in the reading section, you will not have note making and summarizing. So this was supposed to be a Herculean task for all the students. So that has been removed for this year. You will still have the comprehension passage. Now in the writing section, poster making is removed. Business and official letters for making enquiries, complaints, and giving information, placing order, all these are removed. Speech and debate is also removed. So you still have the report writing and article writing. So we know that class 12 does not have any grammar. So let's move on to the textbooks. So in Flamingo, the lessons Poets and Pancakes, the poem Roadside Stand, and again lessons, the interview and going places are removed. In the Vistas textbook, the Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood are removed. So all other things remain the same. I hope you liked today's video. For more informative videos, subscribe to Hello English Teacher. Like, share and give your valuable comments below. Thank you for watching.